Bro, say you swear to God, yo. Say you swear to God.
If you ever try to let go, I'm sorry, I know ya. I'm sorry, I know ya.
What's poppin', Royalty Gang? What's good, YouTube? And what's good, everyone? It's your boy King Chris, and I'm back again with another video for y'all. If you're new, make sure y'all subscribe. If you don't, drop a like. If you're a dyke, also in the comments, let me know that you are new. So today, guys, I'm gonna be hitting y'all with a vlog, and I'm also gonna be making a video within the vlog. So I gotta be honest, bro. I'm probably one of the most hardworking YouTubers out here, bro. No cap, number one. Definitely gotta be number one in my state. Me and Dash are, it's crazy to think that me and my homie Dash are the number one YouTubers in our states with the highest subscriber count. But it's tough that we're like 7 hours away from each other, because I know we could get so far beyond that if we were closer, but it's tough. But anyway, I'm gonna be hitting y'all with a simple vlog. Don't mind me, I'm in my I-8. But so right now I'm waiting for my little brother, and it's getting kind of, I'm not sure if it's getting hot or I'm just getting hot, because when I walked out the house I wasn't feeling hot at all. I'm in a hoodie right now, as you can see, and I'm in some sweats as well. So like, it wasn't hot. It's only like 73 degrees right now, which isn't even anything crazy. The weather is changing and quick. I wanted to do a video where like I could keep last one to leave the car wins $10,000, you know, have 4 people stay in the car, you know, on a hot day. I should have done it in July. I just never thought about it. But have people stay in the car, you know, no AC, no nothing, windows up, all of that, and see who can, you know, stay in the car the longest, and that's the winner. I just started getting all these ideas just out of nowhere, and it's tough, but hey, it is what it is. Please wait, don't go switching sides, I swear this is where you reside, Please wait, don't go switching sides, yeah. Ooh, please don't throw your love away, yeah. Please don't throw your love away, please don't throw your love away, yeah. I'm nauseous, I'm dark. Say you swear to God, yo. Say you swear to God. No, this no way. This is the drive-through. No fucking. No. Say you swear to God, yo. Say you. Oh. Hold on. So the person behind us is very. I can tell they're very upset, because first off. If you think I'm about to wait in that line, you got me messed up. Ain't that right, Benji? What? Bro. Anyway, the person behind us, I know they're like very like, they're very tight right now, bro. I'm trying to avoid eye contact, but I can see them in like my rear view mirror, and they tight. Yo. They very tight right now, so we finna get this chicken sandwich. I only got $5 on me right now, so I don't think it should be more than $5, to be honest with you. What?
I think it's like $3 or something.
Alright. Well, you got $1?
Yeah.
Alright, then I'll just put it in a 5, and you can get one too. I was about to split it with you when we taste it. Cause I swear to God, that John better be lovely and delightful and make me like for this line, I better have I better have wings. I better be able to fly after this.
Why do DoorDash?
Bro, even if they do DoorDash, oh wait, I don't think some restaurants you don't have right now we still in this line. It's a whole lot of confusion right now. So we've been here for how long? So, oh bro, it's 12:48. We was on the road. We left the crib at 12:14. It's 12:48. Bro, what the fuck? Yo, that's tough. So, that's tough. So, basically, bro, like, it's just a whole lot of confusion going on right now, bro. I'm not even, huh?
Use the horn.
Use the horn? Like,
she won't understand. She'll probably get mad because she doesn't horn.
But basically, right? Shorty in front of us. I don't know what she's thinking. I don't know what her intention is or her goal is or her aim. But the drive-through line, you gotta go around that red car right there. You see it? You gotta go around the red car and then go all the way around the store, and then you'll be behind the black car to get to the drive-through. That's where the drive-through is supposed to be. But if she thinks that the drive-through is straight, Shorty's stupid as hell. This bro, Shorty is lost her damn mind. And now a brother over here making us look bad. A brother gonna go through the exit lane, roll down his window, tell Shorty back up so he can get in front. What? Bro, bro, I will spit on your window, bro. Who is you, bro? See, the thing between me and my little brother,
I get fucking annoyed.
he gets annoyed pretty quick. That's the thing between him and I. I have a tolerance. I have a tolerance, but to a certain extent. He doesn't.
I'm actually about to tell you, bro.
Guys, we have been in this line for approximately 30 minutes. This person in front of us, I'm about to really expose him. So basically, right, the drive-through is where that black car is. Not this one, but where that black car is. So basically, to get through the drive-through, you gotta go around this red car right here and circle around the store and meet that black car at the end right there. I'm not sure if you can see it. It's right under the red. You gotta be where that black car is right there. That's where the drive-through line truly is. Now this broad right here think that you can go through the drive-through line just by going straight. But the thing is, bruh, she been sitting here forever, when in reality, me and my little brother are just trying to park and go inside, which is gonna be the quickest option. And just in case anything does go down, you already know the vibes. We got the cam right here. But I think Shorty is a little too slow to realize that. So now she got us waiting here, just like all these other people, for nothing. I bet most of these people right here are just trying to park, no cap. I bet they're just trying to park, some of these people. And people are even swerving out of the line because it's ridiculous, bro. Like, just because of one person. I really should have got in front of this person, bro. Let this shorty hit me, bro. Swear to God, it's getting to the point where it's like, it's ridiculous anymore. It's like, it's not even funny anymore, bro. Like, I'm trying to turn signal, bro. It's ridiculous, bro. Like, for a chicken sandwich, bro. For real. And it's not like I could even go through this way. I would have just done that, to be honest with you, at that point. I'm just trying to go this way. She looking back. She looking back. Bro, you think I can squeeze it there?
Yeah, if you position the car perfectly.
Like, I would back up, but like, do you think I can make it?
Yeah.
Bro, hold this, bro. Right now, I'm not even sure if this one can see me. The lighting not hitting like that. I gotta go this way, but the entrance is this way. But we finna get this chicken sandwich. The line inside alone is long as hell, and the wait in the drive-through is just as long. See, this guy right here, right, was in the whole exit lane type shit on some nutty shit, and then he gonna cut people off just for a chicken sandwich. better be as good as people turn it out to be. I'm only doing this for a video. None to like. If it wasn't for the video, I wouldn't even be. Yeah. That's tough. But what's good?
Juice from Juicebox TV.
You said what?
I'm Juice from Juicebox TV.
What's up?
Got 188.
188. Alright, keep grinding, buddy.
Yeah, it's the vlogger. I saw your little vlog camera. I was like, yo, you really vlog. Bro, what's your YouTube?
King Chris.
King Chris?
Yeah.
Everybody will subscribe to King Chris.
That's what's up.
The YouTubers got.
Alright. Oh, this light not hitting. I'm gonna sit over here. So, we left the crib around 12:14. It is now 1:11. Yeah, they got him. Not yet. I'm trying. But
if I buy everybody in here a chicken sandwich, can I get to the front of the line? What's up?
that's a lot of chicken sandwiches though.
$500.
And it's $4 for one. So I waited a little too long for me to just go back now. Maybe like heading to 40 minutes now.
Y'all right here.
No, it was just to get inside the park.
Nigga, y'all stupid. It took me 1 minute. I went around and came in this.
Now somebody was blocking it. Someone was blocking the exit lane and the way to enter.
Fuck that.
Nah, she already called 12 too.
What was it, employee?
No. I'm bullying the Cadillac. Cause he was, no way, man.
Not up there, right? I don't believe an hour, 2 hours.
I think they're trying to shorten the line.
Yeah.
I don't know, bro.
They not trying to cook it.
They just said it's an hour to 2 hours.
They just doing their thing. Like, man, y'all ain't gonna rush me. Getting extra money for this. That's how they at. That's how they work. Take your time, man. Rush me.
Yeah. At the end of the day, I just like him. All right. So after, I think it's been about an hour or two. It's been a while. Like we were sitting in line, like my G, my legs hurt. It's my first time sitting down like an hour and a half or so. I just ordered like 6 chicken sandwiches. This shit better hit. No cap, it better hit. This shit better hit, bro. Cause this line, it was ridiculous. It was ridiculous. Just to get into the parking lot, it was crazy. So it better be worth it. I heard it was better than Chick-fil-A. That's a big statement. Hopefully this should live up to his name, bro. No cap. This better be worth it, that's all I'm saying. At the end of the day, this better be worth it. Cause this is my first time sitting down and like, I ain't gonna lie to you. 11. Look up. God, hear that?
What?
My man just said, this is 1692. My man not playing. He about to feed the whole frat. Yeah. Who?
Oh, 16.
Yo, I would pray to clock out.
That's something I've never eaten in a while. So you gotta be nice with me now because that was really good, dog, and I like it.
All right. So right now we finna head to Wawa. We finna get something to drink. Cause look, a good sandwich like that needs a good beverage.
Always.
Always. So, period. Poop. Period. That's why period. So, yeah, it needs a. Oh my Lord Jesus. But it needs a good bev. So we're finna get inside Wawa and then we're gonna get something to drink and then we're finna head home after that because honestly, I'm getting kind of full. Right, but okay. I'm not gonna lie to you, I'm getting kind of full. It's very filling. I'm telling you, bro. Honestly, we have drinks at home. Unless you wanna just go home.
Yeah, we came here.
I don't know. To be honest, I don't know why. I have Fiji and I have smoothies at home. Okay. Alright. Bro, you need to exercise anyway. But anyways. Whoop.
You still want to go to the mall?
You still want to go?
Yeah.
You still want to go?
Yeah.
Alright, bet.
Then let's get drinks.
Alright. Bro, you make me look crazy out here, bro. Come on now. Make me look crazy. So you mad because I said hold it.
Stop with that
Is you mad? Or no? Let me get some of this luscious peach ice. Let me get some. Bro, can I get some, please? Bro, my fault. I saw something. I saw a butterfly that's crawling to your shit, bro. But I think that's gonna be the end for the video. I think that's gonna be it. Oh no, this light not here. Let me turn this off. But I think that's gonna be the end of the video, guys. Hope y'all enjoyed. Honestly, one thing I'm gonna say, the chicken sandwich in terms of taste and quality, I give it a 10 out of 10. But if it comes with a weight, I'm gonna tell you. Oh, my camera lens, hold up. But in terms of waiting time, I'm gonna say it's not worth it. But in terms of quality and taste though, it's definitely, most definitely worth it. So I hope you guys enjoy it. If you guys are new, make sure you guys subscribe. And if you didn't already, make sure you drop a like under the video. Leave a comment if you're new. Make sure you guys follow all my socials. All my socials, if you type in Chris OG, I'll be the first one that pops up. But they're also gonna be on screen and they're gonna be in the description as well. So make sure you guys follow me on all of those, and I will see y'all next time. I love you guys. Peace. What am I doing? What are you doing? Yo. Imagine being like a regular customer at Popeyes and then out of nowhere, like everybody at your store. Delicioso.
What the fuck is wrong with you?
Delicioso.
Bro, actually, that's actually pissing me the fuck off. I'm gonna turn this camera off and that's funny.
Where's that beverage good?
What the fuck you kiss me for, you ugly bitch? Get the fuck away. I'm a fucking idiot. Oh my god.
Bro,
That's actually done.
Actually, stop, bro. Stop. It's done?
It's done.
It's done. That's too much. That's too much.
You're 19 years old. That's actually getting pretty sad. You're 19 years fucking old.
Holy shit, that's actually
Bro,
sick.
why are you so ugly?
Get the fuck out of my face, you dumb bitch, nigga. Like,
Bro, why are you mad? Why are you mad? Looks. Why is the bun more moisturized in your face?
bro.
Mmm, delicioso. Look at that first bite. Look at how a wild young Benji takes a bite into a Popeyes chicken sandwich. Luscious. Luscious.
Back the fuck up! Holy shit! Oh man, I'm laughing now, but it's getting good.
It's good. It's good. Look at how he takes a bite, ferocious bite, into a Popeyes chicken sandwich. Whoa. 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 You want some peach iced tea? You want some
Yeah, I know.
peach iced tea? Drink some, big boy.
Oh my god.
Drink that shit.
Now I ain't gonna pay any mind.
You can't ignore me, nigga. You can't ignore me, nigga. Yo, look at them lips. Ew, bro. You. God damn. I know you never eat in your life.
It's your fucking channel. Get that shit the fuck off me, nigga. Like. You have nothing better to do. He's just surrounding me, like, it's annoying. No,
Well, you said what?
take me home.
Take you home.
No,
Why?
let's go.
Go where?
Take me home.
No.
Yes, mom. I know. Because I had to go to church and you were telling me to. Yeah, we're coming. Alright, let's go. Let's go. Yo, start the car.
You ugly as fuck! Oh, shit!
Alright. So if you guys didn't know, I start school tomorrow, and one thing I regret is not getting a fresh cut. I don't know how to make a pimple go away like overnight. Today?
No, tomorrow.
You're getting one?
We're supposed to be getting one.
Bro, I start school tomorrow. So basically, one regret that I got is not having one today so I can be fresh for tomorrow. So basically, I'm probably gonna give myself my own lineup, or I might just wear a bandana, or I might just wear the headband. I don't know. But nah, I can't. I'm not wearing the headphones. I'm not wearing them. They're not covering me. So that's one thing I regret. But right now, we at the mall. Literally, I'm gonna tell you, I've been to a lot of places. I've been in New York. I've been in Virginia before, and I've been in LA. In all of those places, there's so much things that you can do. But literally, when I tell you guys this, believe me when I tell y'all this, in my state, there is not much you can do. And with the amount of subs that I got, you'll be surprised how I even did it. You'll be surprised. So when I be telling you I did this shit from the mud, I did it from the muscle. There's not much you can do. Literally, there's only a main event, the mall, and if you're old enough, you can go to Main Street, which is basically where the college is. Not much to do here. And there's not much people to work with either. Everybody on some, everybody's like kind of weird. At least when it comes to, you know, doing YouTube and working. So I'm about to be on my own Soluminati type time. I'm about to really, I can do this by myself. You feel me? Cause look, he only had Ashley. You feel me? He didn't need to work with other YouTubers to come up. He didn't need that. So, but look, he's still at a mill. Obviously, he could do it. I'm at what, 357K right now? Soon I'm about to hit 360. And then I'm about to be on my way to 400,000. Obviously, if he could do it, or literally anybody on the face of this earth can do it, I can too. No doubt in my mind. Regardless of who start fucking with me and who stop fucking with me, I'ma still get to this bag regardless. Period, poo. Period. So right now we just stepped inside Champs. Right now, I'm supposed to be saving money, but here I am at the moment about to spend something. Good, how are you? Here I am, trying to save. Worst place I could be is at the mall, and I'm about to spend some shit. Huh?
I already saw one that I'm gonna get.
What you want to get? Well, look. What you feeling? Which one?
It's that one. And it's white.
The whole black one?
I like that.
You need more of a variety color with shoe. Right now.
I don't have any black. I don't have any all black.
Oh, like real
All black.
like throw on shoe? Not throw on, but like good dress shoe type shit?
Yeah.
Oh, okay, I feel you.
All black shoes, the soldiers.
What, the soldiers? The LeBrons? Oh, that's tough. But lately, I've been fucking with Champion lately. No cap. They've been stepping up in they game. But look,
Yeah.
I just took out. I just took out money to buy a car, and plus I gotta pay for college. So I was trying to be spending, but look, here we are. Ooh, adulting. The thing about spending money, once you do it, you think about, oh no, it's like you don't think about it in a moment, but after, that's when it really starts to like hit you. Like, I'm trying to save more than spend. You know what I'm saying? That's the goal. At least save so I can, you know, move out in my own place. Not in this state though, but either LA. I'm thinking probably ATL, or I might move in with say DJ and BJ down in Atlanta. We might just check out if they have fart spray while I'm at it. I'm gonna check out if they have fart spray. So right now we about to enter Spencer's. I'm about to see if they got fart spray. I'm about to see if they got it. So if anything, I could prank my mom. But hopefully, oh, they got music in here. So copyright, copyright, copyright. I don't know if they got it. Oh no, it's mad dark. This lighting not hitting. But hopefully I can find it. Fart spray. Oh, here's a prank station. No, where you go? No tear toilet paper. That's tough. All right, so. So right now we're looking for fart spray. I already Mystic Smoke. What is that? Fart spray. Oh, they fucking sick. How much is it? You got it. Why they put it on the top so nobody can? They funny. All right, let's see how much it is. 7 bones. I think on Amazon it was cheaper. I don't know. But this works in the dark, guaranteed results.
Oh yeah, I'm about to buy this.
No. That drone is so annoying, bro. Don't.
I'm about to buy it. I'm about to buy it. How much is it? Damn, $17.
Bro, chill out.
Bro, it feels like 10. That's weird.
Bro, chill out. This don't be annoying. Like I should smack him with it. Chill out though.
Bro, if I take that to school and just do that behind people's ears, it would be heated.
Oh, that's tough. They sell stickers. What do you mean? That's corny. Feel me? Like I said, I'm not trying to spend too much money right now, but I might. I don't know. Actually, one thing I am gonna do again though is get my ears pierced. I'm not sure if you guys remember the story from back then, maybe like 2 or 3 years. No, it's been like 3 years now, maybe 4 years since I have them pierced. So basically, I ordered a kit from Amazon and I did it myself. Now, it wasn't the best of all jobs, but I got the job done. You know what I'm saying? It took a few attempts to make, you know, get my left even with my right. My left was perfect, but my right was a little bit iffy. So it took a little. Hey, what's going on?
Brother, yo.
Good, how are you?
It's your brother, right?
Yeah.
You see, take your dad page, say hello.
Alright, bet. Alright, take it easy. But yeah. So it took a couple attempts, but eventually I already knew my dupe wasn't gonna be okay with it. But eventually she found out, and she made me take him out, and I had to close up. Damn, this light not hitting. So damn, this light not hitting. So basically what had happened was I had to let him close up. And I really was rocking with the earrings. I really was rocking with it. I even took my school picture in there, I think my sophomore year. So what I'm finna do again later down the road is, now that I'm older, I'm definitely gonna get them pierced. Now, compared to back then, it was, you feel me, I was in a rocky situation. So of all times getting my ear pierced, that time wasn't the time. But now it's a more calm, it's a cooler time now. So all of that for real, it's all good. It ain't no issue right now. That's crazy. That's crazy. So I just got home now. So that means it's the end of the vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you didn't already, make sure you guys subscribe. Make sure you guys drop that like. Let's try to go for 250 likes. And also leave a comment down below if you are new. Make sure you guys follow my socials. My socials are going to be in the description and they're going to be on screen as well. So make sure you guys go follow me on there. We're on the road to hit 25K. And I will see y'all next time. I love you guys. I will see y'all next time. Peace.
Deuces.